Okay, so the formula f equals 3p plus 2r. So we could rewrite that as f equals 3 multiplied by p, and then add 2 multiplied by r. Okay, so that's the case when we have a term where a number and letter are stuck together. It means that we need to multiply them. Same with 2r, it means 2 times r. So what you do then is you use the values given. So p is 9, r is 11. We'll substitute that in to find the value then for f. So in this case, 3p, 3 times p, and p is 9. So 3 times 9. Add then 2r, so 2 times r, and r is 11. Okay, so then take your time, we'll work this out first. 3 times 9 is 27. 2 times 11 is 22, and then when you add them you get your answer to be 49. Okay, so with the second one, find the value 8x plus 3y when x is 3 and y is minus 2. So same situation there. 8x literally means 8 times x. Yeah, it's just in algebra we never write times. That's what's going on here. And then we need to add 3y, and that means 3 times y. So they tell me what x is. X is 3, so I substitute in 3, and then they tell me what y is. So in this case, y is negative 2. So I often use a bracket when I have negative value. Okay, so then I'm going to work these out. 8 times 3 is 24. Now, when you've got a negative here, okay, just sort of ignore the negative and just do 3 times 2. Just work that out. So 3 times 2 is 6, and because there is a negative there, it's going to be negative 6. And then 24, then you've got then take away 6, you get your answer to be 18. Okay, number 3, again we've got here 3x, so 3 times x, and in this case x is negative 6, so we put that in a bracket, plus then 4y, 4 times y, and y is 5. So when I'm multiplying, as I said before, just do 3 times 6, which is 18, and then because it's negative there, it's going to be negative 18. 4 times 5 is 20. So we start with minus 18, and then we're going to add 20, and that works out to be 2. Okay, so this is the same as saying 20 take away 18 is 2. For then, in this case, 5b, so 5 times b, yeah, and then take away the value 6. They tell me that b is 20, so I do 5 times 20 for 5b, and 5 times 20 is 100, and then minus 6, and I get 94.